Step into the enchanting world of a small backyard edging design that's as charming as it is inviting. Imagine curved brick borders gracefully tracing the edges of garden beds, creating a sense of whimsy and romance in your outdoor space. But it's not just about structure, it's about the lush greenery and colorful flowers that spill over the edges, creating a soft and natural transition between the manicured lawn and the vibrant planting areas. It's like stepping into a secret garden, where every corner holds a new surprise and every bloom adds a burst of color to the landscape. So why wait? Transform your backyard into a haven of beauty and tranquility with this charming edging design that's sure to delight all who enter. Step into the sleek sophistication of a contemporary small backyard edging design where clean lines and modern materials redefine outdoor elegance. Picture this, sleek metal borders meticulously defining the edges of garden beds, creating a sense of structure and refinement in your outdoor oasis. But that's just the beginning. Within these borders, low-maintenance succulents and ornamental grasses take center stage, their vibrant hues and unique textures adding depth and visual interest to the landscape. It's a marriage of form and function, where beauty meets practicality in perfect harmony. So whether you're relaxing with a book or entertaining guests, this modern edging design is sure to elevate your outdoor experience to new heights of style and sophistication. Step into the rustic charm of a small backyard edging design that's as natural as it is enchanting. Imagine reclaimed wood logs lovingly repurposed to create a border for the garden beds, adding a touch of organic warmth to your outdoor space. But the magic doesn't stop there. Within these borders, wildflowers and native plants flourish, their vibrant colors and delicate blooms breathing life into the landscape. It's like wandering through a meadow in full bloom, where every corner holds a new surprise and every blossom dances in the breeze. So whether you're sipping lemonade on a lazy afternoon or hosting a summer soiree, this rustic-inspired edging design is sure to delight all who enter with its timeless beauty and natural allure. Step into the understated elegance of a minimalist small backyard edging design that's as sleek as it is stylish. Picture this, clean lines and geometric shapes meticulously crafted from concrete pavers, creating a sense of modern sophistication in your outdoor space. But that's just the beginning. Between these pavers, succulents and low-growing ground cover plants take root, their lush greenery adding a touch of natural beauty to the contemporary landscape. It's a harmonious blend of form and function, where simplicity meets serenity in perfect balance. So whether you're enjoying a quiet moment alone or entertaining guests under the stars, this minimalist edging design is sure to elevate your outdoor experience to new heights of tranquility and style. Step into the enchanting charm of a cottage-style small backyard edging design, where vintage brick borders imbue the space with rustic elegance and timeless appeal. Imagine weathered patina lending a touch of history to each brick, evoking memories of bygone days and simpler times. But the true magic lies in the lush foliage that spills over the edges, climbing vines and flowering shrubs cascading in a symphony of colors and textures, creating a romantic and whimsical atmosphere that's straight out of a fairy tale. It's a place where every corner holds a secret waiting to be discovered, and every bloom whispers of hidden wonders. So whether you're strolling hand in hand with a loved one or simply enjoying a moment of solitude, this cottage-style edging design is sure to transport you to a world of beauty and enchantment. Step into the realm of modern sophistication with a small backyard edging design that exudes sleek style and contemporary elegance. Picture this: corten steel panels, with their rich rusty hue, forming crisp and clean borders for the garden beds, adding a touch of industrial chic to your outdoor space. But the true beauty lies within these borders: ornamental grasses swaying gently in the breeze, and flowering perennials bursting forth with vibrant colors, creating a captivating display that evolves with the seasons. It's a landscape that's alive with movement and color, where every element is thoughtfully curated to enhance the modern aesthetic. So whether you're savoring a quiet moment alone or entertaining guests al fresco, this modern edging design is sure to elevate your outdoor experience to new heights of sophistication and style. Step into the realm of eco-friendly creativity with a small backyard edging design that's as sustainable as it is stunning. Imagine recycled glass bottles, each with its own unique color and texture, embedded in concrete to form whimsical and colorful borders for the garden beds. It's a celebration of creativity and conservation, where waste is transformed into beauty, and every bottle tells a story of renewal and reuse. But the magic doesn't stop there. Within these borders, drought-tolerant plants thrive, their resilient nature reflecting a commitment to sustainability and low-maintenance landscaping. It's a landscape that not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space but also honors the planet we call home. So whether you're enjoying a quiet moment in nature or hosting a gathering with loved ones, this eco-friendly edging design is sure to inspire admiration and appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. Transport yourself to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean with a small backyard edging design that's brimming with old-world charm and rustic elegance. Picture this: terracotta tiles arranged in intricate patterns, creating decorative borders that evoke the timeless beauty of Mediterranean architecture. It's like adding a touch of Tuscany to your own backyard oasis. But the real magic lies within these borders: fragrant herbs like lavender and rosemary, and flowering shrubs bursting with vibrant colors, infusing the air with the heady scents of the Mediterranean countryside. It's a sensory experience that transports you to a world of warmth and tranquility, where every corner holds a new delight for the senses. So whether you're savoring a glass of wine under the stars or simply enjoying a quiet moment of solitude, this Mediterranean-inspired edging design is sure to transport you to a place of timeless beauty and serenity. Step into a world of whimsy and wonder with a small backyard edging design that's as enchanting as it is delightful. Imagine decorative metal fencing panels, intricately crafted to form whimsical borders for the garden beds, adding a touch of artistry and charm to your outdoor space. It's like stepping into a storybook garden, where every twist and turn holds a new surprise and every detail sparks the imagination. But the true magic lies in the lush foliage that spills over the edges, cascading flowers and trailing vines tumbling gracefully, creating a tapestry of colors and textures that dances in the breeze. It's a landscape that's alive with movement and beauty, where every corner invites exploration and discovery. So whether you're hosting a tea party for friends or simply enjoying a moment of solitude, this whimsical edging design is sure to transport you to a world of joy and enchantment. Step into the modern allure of a contemporary small backyard edging design that seamlessly blends strength with style. Visualize gabion walls, sturdy and visually striking, filled with local stone to form robust borders for the garden beds. It's an architectural marvel that adds a touch of rugged elegance to your outdoor sanctuary. But the true beauty lies within these borders: native grasses swaying gently in the breeze, and wildflowers bursting forth with vibrant colors, creating a biodiverse paradise that teems with life. It's a landscape that not only captivates the eye but also nourishes the soul, attracting pollinators and wildlife to your backyard haven. So whether you're basking in the sun or admiring the beauty of nature, this contemporary edging design promises to transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and dynamic landscape that's as sustainable as it is stunning.